Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can copy any Facebook page link. So in order to copy any Facebook page link, what you need to do is simply go to that particular page. So for example, I am going to any random page right now. And here you can see that this is the page of which I want to copy the link, or in order to share this page. So in order to share the link, what you need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots present here besides the subscribe button right here. And once you have clicked here, you can see that the link appears right here, and it will also give you a button, the copy link button. And all you need to do is simply click on this copy link button, and once you have done that, the link will be copied to your phone's clipboard. Then once you have done that, you may simply go to any chat or to any other place where you want to paste this link and you want to send it. So for example, here you can see that if I go to this chat, I can simply copy this link by just pressing the paste button, and here you can see that the link is pasted to that particular page. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.